Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you this Reindeer Rudolph 16 volts 3/8 of an inch cordless impact drill driver kit. Yeah, that's the packaging here. And so inside, in this really nice box, we get this absolute awesome drill set with this 3-in-1 drill, 2 strong batteries, battery charger, and a lot of bits and drills, and even some tools, and this very unique multifunction back cover, which also can be used as a hammer, and I've already tried that, worked absolutely awesome. Of course, when you have to hammer 100 nails into wood planks or so, I wouldn't recommend to use this one here, but of course I would use a normal hammer. But in a lot of cases this could be super helpful, especially for example to drive anchors into concrete wall, which you can't just push in with your thumb. Of course, we have to add the battery. Just push it here inside. Shows also the charging level here conveniently. And we also have this automatic light. And it keeps even shining for a little bit longer than just while pushing, maybe 20 seconds or so, or you can just tip here a little bit and you still have the light. That's a huge advantage compared to other lights which I have on other drills. So you can see there's really a lot of very sophisticated stuff here. And when you're using it for screwing, drilling, hammer drilling, then you can really feel the quality. Comparing, for example, to cars or so, it's not like a Volkswagen, it's definitely at least a Mercedes or even more. You can even feel that when listening to the sound while drilling. You can feel and hear the power also stops really fast. And so we really have these 3 functions here on top, which we can switch easily from screwing, drilling and hammer drilling. And then we have these 20 different settings. We have this easy to use forward and reverse switch function. Of course, the different torque settings only work when having the drill in the screwing function. When you're using the normal drill or hammer drill, then it's not working. This is just exactly the same as with every other drill as well. What's also special is that we have this metal jacket here for the chuck. Some people like it, some people not so much. Soft plastic can be a little bit more convenient, has maybe a little bit more grip. The metal, of course, looks more solid, but also is a little bit more aggressive. So if you're wearing rings or so, just be a little bit careful. We can use it also in the automatic function just by holding it and then put it in reverse, hit the trigger, open it, add one of the bits or drills, and then hold it again, put it in forward, and then lock it automatically. Yeah, works absolutely awesome. But of course you can also manually lock and unlock. Works exactly how it should. We can even put it here like that, has a nice balance, but of course it's not super stable or so, especially compared to the ones which have a little bit longer battery, so maybe recommended to always put it down. But of course we also have this very convenient bracket here, which you can use just to hang in your tool belt. Absolutely awesome. Then you have it with you already in no time. By the way, it was super easy to attach and switch it out with the normal back plate. So I'm definitely going to leave it like that for the hammer, for the clip, and also because of the tool attachment, where we can attach up to 6 different bits here. As you can see, that can be super helpful. A lot of drills have just maybe 1 or 2 attachment possibilities. Here we have a whopping 6, and they have a really solid hold. I had even some bits here while using it for hammer drilling. Yeah, hammer drilling is a real hammer. I've seen so many electric drills which claimed hammer function and didn't really have a hammer function. I mean, of course it's not the strongest hammer on any electric drill in the world, definitely not, but it's still decent. And so I've been able to drill in only around 10 seconds through the outer wall of a concrete block, which is definitely a decent number. Of course, when using it with the hammer, you have to make sure that you're using it on speed number 2. On speed number 1, it won't do anything. Very important, of course. Yeah, speed in general, a really nice thing. So we can run it on a really low speed or increase steadily. That's a really nice thing. And same thing on level 1. just a little bit slower, yet trigger, everything works really, really nice. And this thing is heavy, I can tell you. That's not like a super lightweight thing where you have to fear that it's falling apart anytime soon. This thing is built like a tank, a real professional tool. There's no doubt about that. I never had something so small, so compact, and so strong. Yeah, there's no doubt about that. This thing is definitely a keeper, and it's not even expensive. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the listing where you can buy it directly into the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this really, really nice Reindeer Tools electric hammer drill, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.